It's deep, hard-hitting, inside from corridors of social and political power, factual and humorous. It's Frontier Public Speaking Forum every Wednesday. Come and join Frontier.
The topic goes, do you agree or do you believe that low payments motivate corruption? Ideally, your idea would be either yes or no. We have two sides. Others are saying yes, corruption motivates low payment motivates corruption. And others are saying no, there could be other causes that are causing corruption. But by the end of all, we shall finally find who is a winner and who has got so many ideas supporting his or her particular opinion.
Yes, I agree with this, and that's because when you don't have driving license and the traffic catches you, the money you pay is low payment. The money that you give to the teacher for basic your child is low payments. Low payment motivate corruption.
See, I am going to are the only country that make corruption, except right? In the European side or American side, they are no corruption. So if you are curriculum not good, it's really bad. What are their curriculum? I think they are exactly correct they have, isn't it? What's the simple cause that corruption in American country or European?
As I said, my first point, in all other countries make a corruption. So when we are talking curriculum of Somalia, most of the teachers that are working in the schools don't have and doesn't need any teacher training or don't have any teacher training. For those countries they have, right? Yes, they have. There is a problem that I said before, if you learn the way that if you are taking curriculum, you can't live without corruption. You are taking money for others and your payments are high, so that's not causing low payments.
Low payment is caused by corruption. Totally, I agree. You know the hospitals, if the person even going to suffering die, they not entering the hospital because you must give the money that to treat that person.
Totally, I disagree with this topic.
So, as we conclude, can we say that in such a scenario, the problem is the citizen or the problem is the government official, the police officer or someone in that nature, that caliber? As we conclude, as we leave this whole idea that he brought up, can we say the problem is the citizen who gives up the money? Because the officer can ask you for money, $10, and if you don't want to be corrupt, you don't give that money. If you don't give the money, probably they will take you to prison, they will take you in custody, and you'll be taken to courts of law, and it will be sorted out. So, is it a guarantee that when a police officer asks for money, you give it? If you don't give it, then you have stopped corruption. If you give it, you have encouraged corruption. So, who is the problem?
And the main problem are causing those who are the citizens because they don't know how to love their country and how to live with their country.
We are just making excuses over the government, over the low pay, over the whatever, but the whole problem is you. The whole problem is you. Because when I say, I'm going to the office, I need a job, and let me first give you a scenario. Personally, I went for an interview for a job in public service, government, and I passed the interview. I was very rest assured that the job is there. But there are some corruptible tendencies. You bring a parcel, some dollars inside, and you say, please, you know me, you give me a job. So some people who were corrupting, they secured the job, and a very fat job. And after some time, I found my name was dropped from those people who were on the list. I asked the people who was in charge of recruitment. I said, why? Why is my name not there to be given a job? He said, how do you know that you passed the interview? I said, please, I am aware I passed the interview, I have the results, and why are you saying this? They said, you know, our country of today, you must bring something in there. I said, I'm not ready to bring anything to you. You better give me the job, or else I take you to court because I passed the interviews.